Welcome back in the gluten-free kitchen. After so many years of using commercially available flour mixes, it's finally time to make our own gluten-free pastry flour mix. But before we dig into it, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm going to measure out each ingredient individually. You can also just place the bowl over the scale and then use the tare function on it. But I want everything to be measured as accurate as possible. Place the bowl over it, press the tare button, wait just a second. We're going to measure out the rice flour.
In order to get the best consistency for your pastry dishes, make sure that you are using some very finely milled flours.
We're missing just 50 grams. Then the brown rice flour.
In the near future, we are also going to post a recipe for a gluten-free bread flour, which is going to be similar to this one.
Dump it in. The corn flour. The lentil flour. And now that we're done with the flours, let's move on to the starches, starting with the tapioca one. Then the cornstarch. The potato starch. The pectin. And the guarga. And now we're going to whisk everything. Push the mixture towards the center of the bowl. And now whisk it one more time. This is how the mixture is supposed to look like. And now you can store it in an airtight container for up to 6 months, but please make sure to check the individual expiration dates of each flour. And now you got yourself a healthy gluten-free pastry flour mix that we are going to use in all of our pastry recipes from now on. So we're gonna make a lot of delicious stuff with it. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the recipes. Please make sure to go to the link in the description where you can see the full written recipe in case I make any changes in the future regarding the mix. And now it's time to bake.